blue skies, green palm trees and something else that is very green. Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to the brand new Kia Niro electric and the beautiful, stunning south of France. Can electric be fun? Can it be capable? Well, we've got some pretty twisty and very attractive roads ahead of us. Let's hop in and see what the electric fuss is all about.
I don't wanna fight the feeling inside.
Alright, I'm just gonna say, but look at me today. I mean, look at me. I'm cruising along this beautiful one and only coast in the south of France in a brand new Kia Niro. I mean, I've got it going on, don't I? And I know what you might be thinking. Oh dear, she's definitely gone bananas this time. Another electric cars. I might have gone bananas, but for completely different reasons. I do, don't get me wrong, like a bit of that under the bonnet, a little bit of thunder, but I also love those chilled, quiet days, cruising along the coast. It is a beautiful Saturday. Yes, it is Saturday. Well, I sound like a lady of leisure completely already. Saturday afternoon, and I mean, look at this place. I love those days, quiet, relaxing. I'm here in the south of France representing Ramp magazine. Now, have you what I've asked you to in one of my last videos and looked at the magazine, purchased this magazine? It would be good if you could support me if you enjoy my videos. Now, Ramp is printed in English and German and also, I believe, Mandarin. I still haven't learned that, shame on me. And I was actually in the last magazine, I was featured there, having my own little mini column. Very proud of myself. Oh dear. Let's have a look inside the boot of this lovely vehicle. Plenty of room, large suitcase, small suitcase, so you can carry all the clutter that you need. And that's enough about the boot. And what about the cabin of the new Niro? Overall, the quality of the materials, the finishing is very good, clean and cluttered, very modern, although Kia was a little bit stingy when it comes down to the size of the screen. How does it feel to be a passenger in Kia Niro? Well, there's plenty of legroom. Headroom is okay. You can fit in quite comfortably. Third person here. Overall, a decent amount of space. But what I do like about the cabin, there's plenty of storage, lots of pockets. One here, one very deep one down here, another one here, and another one here. Cooled and heated seats, and even a heated steering wheel, just in case it gets a little bit chilly. Well, let's get down to nitty-gritty, shall we? We've got a long-range 64 kilowatts battery, which produces 204 horsepower. The maximum speed is 167 kilometers an hour. Not that a person who purchases this kind of a car is particularly concerned about the maximum speed, but should your heart desire to go fast on the German Autobahn, well, worry not. This car has got enough punch for quite a number of people, actually. How does it feel to drive? Well, of course, because it's electric, it is very quiet, but there's not much wind whistle coming through either, so the car overly is relaxing, chilled, soft, but do not expect the kind of cocoon softness. This car feels actually quite sporty for an electric car. I think this is exactly what Kia wanted to build. Not overly soft and large, big SUV. No, actually quite a zippy and nifty SUV, which is exactly what a Kia Niro is. The steering is responsive. It's actually very responsive for an SUV. You see, when I came here, I did not think, actually I didn't know what I'm going to be testing exactly. I didn't know it's going to be electric car, but I keep my mind open and there we go. Okay, what about the throttle response? Shall we put it to test? Let's put our foot down and have a little bit of fun. Oh, I do like it. And my bag just slide down the seat. But look at this car. Oh, I do like it. You can have actually quite a bit of fun. Previously, I have to say, I was a little bit this kind of a person. Electric car, it's boring, it's not for me. But you see, even an electric car, you can have fun. This car is perfect if you live in a dirty, smelly, congested city. And then you like to have a little bit of fun. 204 horsepower, I think you know there's plenty of room to play with. And this car Obviously, being an SUV, one of your major concerns that might be, will it roll like a big old boat and not handle the curvy roads? But look at this, I am proving this car can handle a lot. It can handle my right foot, it can handle my hands, which sometimes, well, I like to drive in a dynamic way. And that was lane assist. Easy there, Tiger, easy. We're gonna make it, don't you worry. Nice, I like it. I cannot believe I'm saying this, so don't get me started with, oh, she's lost her plot and she's going into electric cars. No, keep your mind open. And I am the perfect example. If you keep your believe me, I love petrol and I love diesel. I love that fire that it can give, that adrenaline. But this is also a beautiful experience. So do not close your mind on electric cars. Now, what are my final thoughts on this? Because I think this brings us really to the end of this video. First impressions of driving the new Kia Niro. I really like this car. I like the style of this car. It's not overly styled actually, but it manages to still look different from the German automakers. It looks young and fresh, very sort of, it's got that youth about it. And I very much appreciate what Kia is doing these days. They've come a very long way. Gone are the days of boring, not very pretty cars. Now it's all about, what people want. And this is, I think, what people want. And this will be a big seller for Kia. And look at me, I can drive this car on curvy roads with just one hand. Quite cool, isn't it? This car's practical, it's spacious, so it's a nice family car. But even if you don't have a family and you like to carry a lot of clutter, just the way I do it. Oh my goodness, the picture has gone very, very dark. Oh dear. Never mind. I'd like to thank you very much for watching. I think it's time to wrap things up, because I just want to enjoy this part of the world. I'm a little bit selfish, I know. I'd like to thank you very much for watching. A big, big thank you to Rep Magazine, Michael, my lovely Emily and Uli for bringing me here. As always, I look forward to your comments. I wonder, what are your thoughts on the electric car? What do you think of Kia Niro particularly, but also the whole idea of electric cars coming into the world and coming into our markets? Leave a question, leave a comment down below. Just be nice, do not be mean, because I will delete that comment immediately. Just kidding. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you all very, very soon. Bye!